Ever feel a sneeze coming and try to stop it, but just can't? That's because a sneeze is a reflex, not a choice. It starts when something irritates your nasal lining, dust, pollen, bright light. Your brain's sneeze center instantly activates a full body response. It tightens your chest, closes your throat, and builds pressure, all in a split second. Then boom, a violent release to clear the airways. You can't stop it mid-launch because your brain already committed. It's not rude. It's automatic. Want more reflexes you can't control? Stick around with KnowledgeZap.